fries. I like them fries. Look funny. Different. So we try this. The sauce.
The leverage, not the leverage, yeah. Not the leverage, not the leverage, yeah. My dog got the leverage, alright.
The leverage, yeah. Welcome back to Leverage Boss TV. You don't know, say your boy Eclips, aka Leverage Boss, and today for you see in the description, we're there at Chik-Fil-A. We're gonna see because the music and copyright. We're gonna see first time, you see me? So we're gonna go in here and see what it's all about. Let's see the menu. Yeah. So in here. I'll wait. Right now we're gonna eat inside and see. Yeah, Leverage Nation. So we're gonna make an order. I see they have spicy chicken sandwich and some nuggets, so that we're gonna try. My first time ordering here. Is this spicy?
Spicy deluxe.
Spicy deluxe. Okay, is that good? That's it.
Yeah, it's good. It has a nice little kick to it. It's not too spicy.
Okay. Alright, I'd like to try that.
You want the meal?
Yeah, the meal.
Alright.
And let me try the nuggets.
And what's the drink for the meal?
Iced tea, I guess. Yeah.
You said the nuggets?
What's the call you have for the nuggets?
You want the entree or the meal?
That's the entree.
We have 8, 5, 12, and
5? Alright, let me get the 5. Try the 5.
Any sauces for you?
What's the best sauce you recommend?
Chick-Fil-A sauce.
Oh, let me try that. Chick-Fil-A sauce. Just a leverage.
Leverage?
Yeah, leverage.
Four cars in the drive.
Thank you. Yeah, so I get this. So Leverage Nation thing total come out $15. See that what we get. We're in a Coral Spring right now. Yeah. Check out the place. So yeah, Leverage Nation. We're gonna try the spicy chicken deluxe. We're gonna say that are one of the best one, and we're gonna try them nuggets. First time in Chik-Fil-A. So yeah. We're gonna see what them say. So we check in when we get the meal and see and go and taste test and see if it's all good for all of the item, you see me? So that's a leverage. Remember, get this to 100 likes, people. I want to see 100 likes for this one. First time going to Chik-Fil-A. Yeah. Leverage. We get it now. I don't know if the music I could bother, so maybe I got maybe do a voiceover, but I'm gonna test it out and see if we can eat in here. We'll go over here, so. We'll go right there, so. Guys, I like them fries, look funny. Different.
I know you thought about going to try.
Tastes good.
But it's like, bro, I would do that, but it's like, man, there's no point. I live right next to the land business. I'm not going to be for my mom. Even though, like, they might not have the most
The chicken sandwich.
they still make something out of it.
Look at it. Cheese, chicken, lettuce, tomato. Huh?
It's so funny.
No, I guess. She likes you, man.
I'm saying, like,
Now we're trying this sauce.
I hate this. What is this? Yeah, bro.
Good. Chick-fil-A sauce, good. First time trying this. Actually good. Leverage Nation, I might do a voiceover because music, you see me? So, yeah.
You know the life with information, so we do a quick voiceover cow on the copyright in the background, you know, YouTube already. But yeah, the chicken was overall good, you know. But you know, I start smiling because now I'm the work. I just sing with the camera and they keep on looking and things, so I just give them a smile here. Take another bite tonight. Yeah, do my little dance. Go to Leverage. You know Leverage, come on. I try to consume the food, you know? Yeah, it was delicious, man. Them nuggets was, the chicken taste authentic, you know? Yeah, I check out on, you know, the spice, the sauce, you know, we have a little sweetness to it. Have a little flavor. Chik-Fil-A sauce, man. Have it on a thing. They should try it, you know? Yeah, dip again. Dip. Was delicious, man. I don't know. But open the straw right now and try the juice. The juice, huh? I'm gonna give you my honest opinion. See, when it comes to fruit punch, this was a icy. It have a little artificial flavor. You know what I'm talking about? Yeah, me is not a really fan of that. Yeah, so I'm sitting there in between. But whosoever love the artificial taste, yeah, you might like it. I not like that, like the natural fruit punch tasting thing, you know? So yeah. So overall, it was a great experience, man. Overall, I mean, everything a 9. Yeah, these are 9. The environment clean and all of that stuff. It was a wonderful experience for the first time, you know. Go down in a leverage, yeah. Finish a sandwich and thing, man, but yeah, that is that, man. You know? So ready for wrap up right now and then cut out. So yeah, shell down the whole thing to in a leverage nation. So you know the leverage, man. Mm-hmm.
Alright, so leverage nation. I'm across over here. Across over here. So that was it for the Chick-fil-A video. It was overall a good meal. Maybe I have to do a voiceover because music was playing, right? So yeah, that's a leverage, man. Make sure I get 100 likes on that one. Make this go viral. You know the leverage, man. Leverage. You know the leverage. You just forward out a Chick-fil-A. You see it? See it there? Yeah. Chick-fil-A, that's so. Until next time, we'll be back. Leverage.